We talk a lot about routine maintenance, but there's nothing routine about today's Tech Tale. It's a lesson on the importance of trusting a Honda certified service technician to work on your Honda vehicle.
It's a regular old day in the Honda shop. Justin's working on a faulty module. Looks like a rodent has made a meal out of the wiring. Justin replaces the unit and begins running diagnostics. But the check engine light is still on and the catalytic converter still isn't working right. Time to dig a little deeper into the engine compartment. And a little deeper. And a little deeper yet. Turns out Stuart Little has been munching on that engine for a while, and now Justin has a lot of rewiring to do, as well as an engine reassembly. Luckily, Justin's training has him prepared for an incident just like this. The vehicle is completely fixed and back on the road in no time.
Can you imagine how long it would have taken a tech to fix that problem without the proper factory training? I understand the temptation to use an independent shop, but you can't replace the peace of mind that comes from knowing your tech is a factory-trained technician, because not every repair is as straightforward as it may seem. A Honda certified technician has the knowledge and resources available to fix just about any issue your Honda may have, big or small, and we're always just a click or call away at Ryan Honda of Minot.